Hello, this is my 2002 M3 convertible. That's E46 body style, and it's having some mirror rust here, so I bought myself a set of replacement mirrors so you can see how the rust is coming all through on the edges of the mirror, and apparently that will ultimately creep up. And one in the mirror replacement is to tilt the glass up as high as it'll go, and then right under here you'll see there's a little tab there. Try and get a good view of it, and we gotta stick a screwdriver in there and unlatch the existing mirror. Alright, so I'm putting a screwdriver into this tab and pushing towards the car. I push it far enough, it should pop off, but it's not popping off yet. Okay, can come off now. If it doesn't come off, then we're failing at this video that we're trying to make. Alright, one more try. There, I think it did. So the retaining ring is loose, it's fallen off. This doesn't want to come off, so I'm assuming there's a little bit of paste on the back of the mirror that's holding it. Just a gentle pull and maybe a little persuasion with something. A knife would actually work well. And there comes the old mirror. Then all you have to do is pull these two tabs off and pull this ring off. And that's the old mirror. That's the old mirror removed. Okay, so the old mirror, you'll see, has the terminals for the heated mirror are on the left hand or outside of the car. The new one has them on the right side or inside of the car. I'm not going to hook them up because I'm moving to a place where we won't need heated mirrors, but you would have to get some extensions to get that to fit on. Next thing you'll see is that this now fits onto this ring without the complicated sliding mechanism, and all I have to do is align these tabs properly with these knobs, and if I do that, it should just clip right on. It's not necessarily easy, it takes a little bit of trial and error. It's not on yet. Anybody who does this and says it's easy is deceiving you. It is a little bit complicated. Still not on. Okay, so it's now on there, it's clipped in place, and it'll shine up, get all my fingerprints off. So you can see it takes a little bit of jiggery pokery, but it ultimately works. I do want to tell you one more thing. This is the mechanism that came off. You can see how it turns. It's quite tight, actually, and that's how that ring popped off of there. But I didn't realize that on a passenger side door, so what I did instead was I got behind here and I pried the whole paste off the mirror and pulled the glass off. You can do that too. You might ultimately break your mirror doing it, but you can see there's a two-piece system here with clips, and it has to turn. If it doesn't turn right, it won't work. And if you can find that little tab under there, that works great. Once there's an aftermarket mirror, there's no tab. Now I've seen videos where you have to pry that off. I dare not do that because I might break the clips and then I have to get another new mirror. I'm hoping these will be good for quite a few years to come.